Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robinhood app. First, download the Robinhood app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Next, you'll create your account by providing some basic personal information, which typically takes just a few minutes. Finally, link your bank account securely to fund your investments, allowing you to deposit and withdraw money easily. Once logged in, the home screen provides an overview of your portfolio's value and its daily performance. You can quickly see how your investments are doing at a glance. To find specific stocks, exchange-traded funds, or cryptocurrencies, simply use the intuitive search bar at the top. Your account settings, statements, and tax documents are all easily accessible through the profile icon in the bottom right corner. To place a trade, first search for the asset you wish to buy or sell and tap the trade button. Robinhood offers various order types, including market orders for immediate execution, limit orders to set a specific price, and stop orders to manage risk. Always carefully review your order details, including the quantity and price, before confirming your transaction to ensure accuracy. Effectively managing your portfolio is crucial for long-term success. Robinhood provides real-time data to help you track the performance of your investments throughout the day. You can also create custom watch lists to keep an eye on potential investments without committing funds. Additionally, enable notifications for price alerts and important news updates to stay informed about market movements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.